Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV awning on Amazon. The RV awning is a retractable cover designed specifically for recreational vehicles and motorhomes. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Tentpoint RV Awning Sunshade. This RV awning is made from high-density mesh. The Tentpoint RV Awning Sunshade is lightweight and UV resistant. It is compatible with many awnings, like those made by Carefree, Solera, Dometic, Lippert, and Fiamma. You can easily mount it by sliding the poly cord into the RV awning rail. It comes with bungee balls, 4 sets of plastic stakes, and a storage bag. Many RVers use this sunshade as a front RV awning. It blocks 86% of UV light, lowering the temperature and protecting your skin. It's available in a variety of drop sizes and width sizes. It can also be customized on request. If your unit has manufacturing-related defects, Tentpoint can offer a replacement. But you have to request a replacement within 3 years from the order date. The Tentpoint RV Awning Sunshade extends your RV's living space. It efficiently reduces wind by minimizing crosswind forces. Number 2. Solera Black Slide Topper Awning. Lippert Components has been manufacturing awnings for decades, and its products have only gotten better with time. This black slide topper awning is one of the best on the market. It has a universal fit and comes with black hardware. It is designed to fit structures measuring 56 to 188 inches that extend up to 50 inches. The strong and durable 13.5-ounce vinyl used to make it can withstand winter temperatures of -25 degrees Fahrenheit. The kit comes with mounting brackets for easy installation. The manufacturer also provides a topper and an awning rail. The topper protects your slide-out awning from debris, leaves, bird droppings, and other outdoor components. The awning's seams are heat-welded to prevent water leaks and water pooling. The awning attaches to the slide room and the RV's outer wall permanently. It automatically extends and retracts with the slide-out, offering hassle-free coverage. Number 3. Camco Black RV Awning Shade. Enjoy some privacy without hindering your view with this lightweight RV awning shade by Camco. It comes in a stunning black color and has a universal fit. It can fit most standard RV awnings. It is made from a vinyl-coated, woven polyester mesh fabric that's flame retardant and measures 54 to 120 inches. The corners of the shade are reinforced with rust-resistant grommets for enhanced durability. The awning shade comes with installation hardware: 2 bungee cords, 5 awning support straps, and 2 tent stakes. It is easy to install. Simply use the tent stakes to secure the bungee cords to the ground. The shade's mesh fabric keeps you cool by allowing air to pass through easily. The awning shade is resistant to UV rays and will protect you against the harmful rays of the sun. When it's not in use, it retracts like a curtain. Number 4. Carefree Black RV Awning as Zip Blocker. Carefree of Colorado has been designing and manufacturing RV awnings since 1971. If you already have a good RV awning, get this as zip blocker to enhance your comfort and privacy. It's made from vinyl-coated polyester fabric to last longer. Its 2-piece design works well with both automatic and manual crank awnings. The zippered insert panel slides into the awning's roller and retracts with the awning. The next time you want to use the blocker, simply zip the 6-inch main panel to the insert. The S-Zip blocker is available in 3 different drops and 5 different lengths. Its open weave fabric is weather resistant and keeps you cool without blocking your view. The blocker is ideal for most awnings and offers protection from the early morning sun. It will also shield you from the evening sun when the awning doesn't provide sufficient shade. Number 5. Aleco Vinyl RV Awning Replacement Fabric. If your RV's awning fabric has seen better days, get the Aleco Retractable Awning Replacement Fabric. It is built to last and will protect you from outdoor elements on your next road trip. The vinyl fabric is resistant to water, UV rays, and mildew. It is tightly woven and will make your awning canopy strong and durable. The RV awning replacement fabric is a perfect fit for retractable awnings measuring 13 to 8 feet. Its dimensions are 12 feet 2 inches and 8 feet. It is big enough to offer sufficient shade without making you feel cramped. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.